I know I got a long way to go before I need this, but car's down, so I thought I'll just start doing a little bit of improvements. As I stated, mounted a bigger fan, so this should take care of all that overheating issues. So we're starting on the JDI install. This is definitely just a, call it, this is definitely a spur of the moment kind of thing, but I wanted it, so I got it. We're waiting on all the parts needed to install the electric power steering. It'll be controlled by this wire and this switch. It's already set up, so once that's here, I'll just slap that in. So we're gonna start on this install for today. What's in the box? These are all the items. The harness, guess this is the security box, the sensor, push button, and some other wires. So let me read the instructions, you know, and then once I get a better idea of what's going on, I'll call you back. So first thing first, take this panel off. Basically pull the clip down, just yank it down. Take these 10s out. Take this whole shroud off because I'm gonna install a button here, so I have to get rid of this. So just make sure you take the screws out. I'm sure you can leave that on, but I have to take this whole unit out. So let's see, how do I take this out? Next, to take the fuse box cover off, which is in this area. This is the wire that you will be taking out. It's connected directly into the fuse box. Just plug this here, wiggle it out. There you go. So that's out. So I lowered the steering console. These are the safety bolts we gotta take out. This one and that. It's a bit of a pain, but normally you just get a chisel, righty tighty, lefty loosey, hit it, and it should back out. As I say, the right tool make the job easy. So it's out, spinning freely now. Now I just gotta start screwing it out. So it's coming out. And this is steering cylinder once everything is out. So you just basically disconnect it from that clip over there. And this is the wire you took from the fuse box. So I will be keeping this just in case, because you never know. Now this is the one we're going to start with. We're going to plug this into a fuse box, and then we're going to run this one. This goes into the actual control unit. That one goes into that. This goes into the fuse box. This is the sensor, push start, and I don't know what these are, but we're gonna find out. Okay, this is the sensor plug. It goes right here. This is the push start plug. It goes right here. Just gotta put this one to chassis ground. And this green wire goes right here. I'm assuming this is some accessory plug, so I'm gonna find out where this one goes. Okay, so here's a little update. This is the brake. This is the brake pedal switch. this green and white wire. That's what you have to tap into. You connect the system's green wire to that, and then once you're able to do that, then you could just, you know, the system will operate as normal. But that's the trigger wire for the green wire for the system. The system's getting 12 volt power right now, and might want to have to hit the clutch. So there you go. Yes, it comes on. My own won't start until I touch the clutch. So hit the clutch. It starts up. So on this car, since mine is stick shift, the trigger will be on the brake pedal, but I still need a signal from the clutch pedal to start the car. So I have to figure out a way to basically cross the two. So I just have to either press the brakes or press the clutch in order to start it. So just wanted to make sure the system worked. It does. So now I can start moving this around, cleaning it up, and like I said, figure out which one of these pedal switch I'm going to use. So I'm going to check the clutch pedal, see where the 12 volt is coming from, and most likely I'm just going to use that as the trigger. Too high. So I got a stupid oil leak. So this is how the old setup was, where it just came straight down and it cut off any room I had here to put anything, like a reservoir or whatever. It'll just ran through like that. So the new design is this. Tell me pretty lies.